Guys, and here today I'll be showing you how to make a guess that character door on Roblox Studio. So I've made a kit for you here. So what you're gonna do is go on to view and click properties and explorer. And if we hit, we're already on 250 subscribers, but if we hit 75 likes on any of my videos starting from now, I'll make a piggy tutorial. So anyways, in your explorer you can see everything inside your game. So you want to download the model in the description below, and inside explorer are all the objects in our game, and if you click on one of them, then down in the bottom there should be this thing called properties, which means it's the properties of that object. But anyways, so if we select all the children inside workspace, inside explorer, and we press cut, and then we paste them into workspace, we can delete this folder because we don't need it anymore. And once we've got our things, you may be like, what are we gonna do next? So this is a low poly tree, no viruses inside, before you start going onto the video and start commentating. Okay, so in here is our guess that character door. So inside here we've got our string value. So this is what you want to say, so you can walk through. So for instance, let's name this Stradox. Oh, what happened to my mic there? Okay, so in the character we renamed it to Stradox, and this is the door activation script. So once we've got that, then if we press play here, then we go over here and we say Shadows, and then we could go through after 2 seconds. But we need some sort of image on it, so then you could actually guess. So if you go into toolbox, search up images, well, not like search it up, but if you click on images, then let's see if our icon is up there. No, okay. So let's rename that maybe to Ninja. And if we search up Ninja, there's a lot of pictures here. Let's just use this one. Okay, so now we've got our image, and if we make it a bit transparent, there we go. See, now if we press play here, and then we walk here, and then like you can't walk through it, and then if we say Ninja, then we could walk through it, just like that. So and here we have the low poly tree. It's more for decoration. So like if we put, if we made this grass, and then we go down onto material, and then we select grass, then this would be cool. So then we could decorate it like this. If you want, you could just delete the tree, it's fine. So we could just duplicate it and duplicate it again, and then we can group these and rename them to trees. So once we've got our guess the character door thing, we could duplicate it again, and we could rename this to Or we could go into the character and we could set the value to Rick Astley. Because in my other video, most of you got Rick rolled. Okay, so now if we do Rick. And then if we, oh. Let's just do Rick Astley. There we go. Now. Let's use this one, and then we are going to delete the previous one, so there we go. And then we are going to make the transparency around this sorta. So now if we press play here, and then if we say ninja, then we can walk through it, and then Rick Astley. And there we go. So this is you could go on and go on and go on, but in the next episode I'll be showing you how to add rebirths or teleport back to your spawn location. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.